Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design. In today's video, we're going to be doing a brand new step inside the Super Affiliate Network. We are going to show you exactly what the laws are all about. In a previous video, we actually talked about the actual steps getting started. We talked about actually getting inside the Insiders Club. We talked about setting up the Freedom Calls, and we also talked about getting started with your training. So without further ado, let's get inside, dive in deep, and learn about the laws. So I'm going to log in the back office here. And once we go in the back office, we are going to go to the tab where it says the laws, okay? And these laws are designed, guys, for you to really follow, to learn how to have success being an online marketer. So you know how to make money from home, on the internet. So once you follow these laws, it just becomes second nature. And then what happens is you start having even more results in your business. Misha designed this for you to specifically study, to learn that if you follow these rules and you follow these laws, okay, you will have results in your business. So let's go with the first law. The first law is wear the white belt, commit to the process, and take massive action. Okay. Law number 2. Market daily. Okay, so as a marketer, you want to actually start marketing daily. Okay? And then law number 3, provide value daily. Okay? And then law number 4, we're going to go into work on your mindset daily. And this is why it was important in the previous video. I showed you that step to set up with the Freedom Calls, okay, with Amber Horner, so that way you could learn exactly more about mindset. All right? Law number 5, we are going to talk about positioning yourself to earn big. Okay, very, very important, guys. Now go to law number 6, and we are going to talk about new member welcome. Now this is important. I want to touch a little bit, touch base on this a little bit, because Anastasia and myself, we're really big on this. When somebody comes in, okay, so let's say you get started with us, we actually make sure we walk you through, and you're going through the right steps, and you're getting started right effectively. Okay, so you're not like left in the dark and you don't know what to do. We make sure that you're following the process the way you're supposed to follow it. Okay, so now law number 7. Okay, law number 7 is attend all live events. We just had a great live event in Arizona, in Scottsdale, Arizona. It was amazing. It was an amazing experience, and I can understand why this is one of the laws. Okay, and the last one, but not least, law number 8: never, ever quit. Okay, let me repeat that one more time. Law number 8: never, ever quit. All right, very important. So guys, there you have it, is the laws inside the Super Affiliate Network. All right, so guys, if you've been on the fence and you've been trying to figure out if the Super Affiliate Network is right for you, I left a link below this video for you to click on, and once you get to the page, put your email in, you'll get on the list, and you'll start understanding more from Misha why this system is so effective and how you can take your life and business to the next level. Okay, so make sure you click on that link below, get started with us for $1. We have a special going on that's just $1. All right, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video, because tomorrow we're going to talk about the actual products inside the Super Affiliate Network. You don't want to miss that one, okay? So guys, with that being said, my name is Rich Guzman. Thank you so much for stopping by this video, and I'll see you on the inside.